Hey, you was soon on YouTube. This is Do Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode. This time around, it's gonna be a Hatteker clipper. Yeah, nothing really much written on the body of this clipper. You know, they didn't write how many words or something like that. Nothing like that. You see that? Nothing. So let's open it up, man. So now that we are back, let's open it. The manual and 6 guards, charging cable, and a little brush. So now let's talk about this bad boy. So, and here it's rating 10 watts, which is very good, a good one. And before I forget, if you like my channel, a sub will be very marvelous. It's really shiny, really beautiful clipper. It's not metal, so I have to tell you that. It's plastic, but it feels good. You know, this one is also plastic. And here I like, because this is hollow. You see that? And it got a clicking lever, 4 clicks. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the second best clicking lever I've ever had. You know, the first one was came in 2010, and this is the second best. You know, it stays, doesn't move, which is very good. You know, it got LCD display here, and charging port. It's not a USB type C or micro USB. It's not slippery, or I guess when times goes by, this one will wear off. You know, it will clean off. I rather like this clicking lever. It's good. I guess we should make a sound check, right? Woo! This baby got power, man. You see that? This baby got power. Yes. So I hope the battery is okay, because I guess the battery is already weak. It's not bad. 6,500, you know. And here the RPM is 6,500, you know. But I guess when you remove the blade and you test it, it will be 6,500. So with the blade, because the blade is a little bit heavy, so it won't get up to 6,500. Yeah, let me open it up for ya. See, it's hollow, which is very, very good, you know. I had one like this, and it was a VGR clipper, the golden one. I can't remember which model number, you know. It's the same, you know. And on this blade, you see, it's also hollow inside, you see. And here also, which is good, and it won't get hot very quickly. This is a good one, and it's a thin cut blade, which is also good. I love this blade. So guys, this is the range. It's okay. It's okay. I didn't make it good, you know. So, yo, finally got the almost the same, like 1973, almost the same shape, you know, the one I had before, or V063. It was here slim, you know, so it wasn't really like this. This one is exact 1973, but with LCD display, you know. So, peace, man.